This will be a short screencast tutorial on how to submit assignments in OST 130. Okay, first of all, go to course content. I want you to see your assignments and due dates, and you click on it, and right here, the first week we have the entry activity, introduction, getting to know you, and register your account in GDP. And then week 2 we have lessons 1 and 2. So let me show you that. So what you will need to do, before we get that, let's look at grading details. This is important. So your lessons 1 through 40, 20% of final grade, yada yada. You can read all these, and it kind of explains how the grading is. So let me go back to course content, and everybody will have bought a hard book and bought the course key so that you can get into GDP and do your work. Now, if the bookstore is out of books at the beginning of class, what you can do is you can get a free access code from GDP, and it'll let you work in there for a couple days, and you can work in it a good bit without having to have your book to type from. But you do have to have your book for some things, but it gives you a good start. Click on Unit 1. When you click into GDP here, it's going to take you to a place where you can either set up your account, or if you already have an account, and you have to set it up, and you have to log in your course key number, go through all that stuff. Now, I've already got mine open, and let's see. Nope, wrong one. Wrong one. It's down here. Okay. So once you get all signed in, you notice that what is due this week, the first week, is lessons 1 and lessons 2. So right here, lessons 1, keyboard and the alphabet, lessons, unit 2, lessons, excuse me, let's forget that. Lessons 1 through 5. So you have to do 1 through 2 for the first one. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through here. You're going to read all this. You're going to go through the lessons, and this tells you what your lessons are going to be. Now, I can only go so far. It's going to show you how to do it. And then keep going, and it's going to ask you to do some stuff. So then you're going to start having exercises and enrichments. And let me see if I can, at the bottom, if it'll let me go to the next thing. It's not going to let me advance forward until I do it because I'm in student mode. But this will walk you through everything that you need to do. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I will probably, when we get further in, I'll probably put in another one. I look forward to working with you online. Thank you very much.